Hello, I will be talking about introduction. So the teenager was found dead lying on tile floor of toilet in the house. The victim were strangled to death by the killer. Two unknown thread of fiber were found on the victim which are suspected to link to the killer. So based on the thread found, we are going to check for the fiber analysis.
Acetate thread found is soft and pleasant to touch. It is dyed in white color with luxurious appearance and no peeling was detected. The source of this evidence are mostly found in dresses and curtains. The white color of silk fiber found was more plastic than elastic. Hence, if the silk material is stretched excessively, the silk polymers that are already in a stretched state will slide past each other. The surface is soft and smooth to touch.
Burning test. By placing the fabric near the edge of the flame to observe the smell of burnt fiber and record the odor of fabric. Next, flame test by placing the fabric over the flame to identify the nature of the burnt end of the sample and the observation was recorded. The next test is microscopic test. This test is to observe the appearance and structure of fiber sample under the microscope to identify natural or synthetic fiber.
Okay, this is the result for two tests. There is burn test for fiber and microscopy test. First is burn test for fiber. We compare two fiber. There is acetate and silk. First is reaction to flame. Acetate will burn quickly and melt, while silk will burn slowly and does not melt. For its smoke, acetate will produce black smoke, while silk will produce little or no smoke. And when we remove the fiber from flame, acetate can flare and it will still flare even we remove it, while silk will self-extinguishing. And next is for odor or smell. Acetate will produce burning pepper smell, while silk will produce burning hair smell. And lastly is the ash. Acetate will produce hard, bitter and cannot be crushed ash, while silk will produce graying black ash. Okay. Next test is microscopy. This is the picture of microscopy test. That is for acetate and silk. Acetate will has bulbous or multilobal appearance, while silk has fine, round and smooth shape.
The burn test shows that silk is a natural fiber as it burns to ashes and does not melt. The lack of smoke and its burning hair-like smell also point to its animal origin. Acetate, on the other hand, melts and produces hard uncrushable beads, which indicate that it is a synthetic fiber. The black smoke and burning paper smell indicate the use of synthetic materials to produce the fiber. The microscopy test shows that silk is made up of fine, smooth, round shapes with little variation in diameter, which is common for natural fibers. Meanwhile, acetate has bulbous or multilobal shapes which have large variations in diameter, indicating it is a synthetic fiber.